today's video, we are going to see the benefits of attending exhibitions. The first one is networking. So, attending exhibition gives you a huge opportunity of networking where you will get a n number of mentors and people with the respective field. So, exhibitions allows young people to meet a new mentors and open opportunity for the a new job and future growth. The second one is discovering your passion. So you will get opportunity to understand what are your hobbies and passion, where you are literally expert and you love to do. So from different field, you will meet some mentors and people where they are already following their passion, and you will get to know about yours. The next one is skill building opportunity, where attending exhibition you will meet and get opportunity on the attending workshops, some demos and practical skills where you will gain a lot of new ideas on different areas and industry, and you will be have a lot of confidence on a practical knowledge. The next one is portfolio power, where you will understand how exactly the exhibitor have their portfolio, how the companies are displaying themselves, the theming, the ideas, the stall, and their projects, how they are representing, how they are getting the clients, how they are generating the leads, and how they are approaching the visitors. So you will learn a lot of activities like this. Also, you can showcase your skill over there. You can talk to them.
M40 M30 इसे जब क्यूरिंग होने के बाद पता चलेगी अब बनाते समय at the time of
Okay.
Is having a Wi-Fi. When we connect hotspot to the Wi-Fi, all the data is transferred to the cloud.
Okay.
We are giving you a email ID and a password
Login.
of the school.
Yeah.
Then, if you are having a lab or a structure in Mumbai, then you can tag structure at Delhi location, at any location.
How it's yeah.
It is bi-directional.
Have your project showcase over there. You can understand their project and the way they are representing, and you can learn a lot more things. Next one is behind the scene of exhibition, where you will get to know how exactly they attend this event, how exactly they organize, and how it is beneficial, how the senior people meet, and how exactly the viewers come together and share some their valuable experience and thoughts on particular topic of industry. So you will get a lot of ideas about this type of things into exhibitions. The next one is a day at tech fair, where you will get idea on how exactly the young billionaires or young entrepreneurs spending their day, how exactly they are busy with their schedule. There are some workshops, meeting and conferences into exhibition itself, where you can meet all of the big industry leaders. So you will understand the way how they are talking, how the gesture, posture, and the communication skills, and how they are building their network. So you can learn a lot of activities from them over there, with having spending one entire day with that particular area. You will get a very professional vibe over there to understand how exactly the professional world looks like. The next one is aspiring entrepreneurship, where if you're already looking for starting your own business or a startup, where you will get motivated, also you will get a lot of idea, you can share them, have your investors, and you can show yourself what you are thinking, what is your plan, and have good mentorship over there. So you will get a lot of opportunity over here. I am listing few of them here. If you are into same city, you can attend them, but if not, then find out at your own places and you can try attending them. As a youngsters, you have a lot of queries, where when you will join some job or some interviews, you will not get answer for all those questions, and even your colleagues and friend circle, that they don't have literally time to explain many more things to you. So you have a lot of social media and many more. You can attend their conference call, you can actually stalk their media, social media, and understand how exactly they are, what the next event and when, where they can meet you. And last one is industry trends, where this is going to be very helpful for the influencers and content creator, where they can have a lot of content ideas from this exhibition, where they can share all of the benefits I have told just right now. And also they can meet the people, have their interviews, and share their day and journey into this, also learn all of these things. And so recently I have attended this Content World Expo and IFAD, where it is all about having a great knowledge about a lot of companies, the project, the recent working, and where the AI technology, softwares, and the entire field of innovation like ongoing. So I got those interaction over here with a lot of people, and yes, met a lot of good people. So you must try and comment down which exhibition recently you have attended or you are going to plan. Share that into your videos. And that's it for this video, and I hope this was helpful for you, and definitely it's going to be. So try identify some upcoming events and exhibition into your city and try attending them and have your experience, learn something new. Comment down which one was the best for you. And to know more about such ideas, about any content and upcoming videos on YouTube growth, watch this playlist and I will see you there. Bye.